Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add auto subtitles in WiseCut step by step using the built-in subtitles feature. First, open the WiseCut app. Within it, please make sure to log in with your account. Once you are on the home screen, you can just scroll down and see the list of the recent projects. Tap on it. Here, it will redirect you to the clip section where it further gives you two options within the video, download and the editor option. The easier one is to open the editor page. Tap on it. Once you are on the editor page, look for the subtitle icon which is located at the left corner. Click on it to open the subtitle panel. Inside the subtitle panel, click on the subtitle toggle option. WiseCut will now automatically transcribe your speed and generate subtitles for your video. In some cases, WiseCut may also take a few moments to process the audio. Once completed, subtitle will synchronize with your video timeline. As you can see, it is successfully synchronized. You can also click on the subtitles and edit the line while correcting the spellings or wordings. After changing, all the changes that you made will automatically be saved. The appearance of the subtitles can also be customized. You can choose the color based on your preference level and then again play the video to preview it. After previewing, if you are satisfied with the result, you can just download it, and that's how you can add auto subtitles in WiseCut. So if you find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video with more WiseCut tutorials.